Hi, my name is Ashdeep Kaur. In this video, I will demonstrate the useful uh, follow me tool in Sketchup software. Sketchup software is 3D design software that is used for creating 3D objects, and later we can print them. So let's get started. I have currently I'm in a isometric view. So let's go to the top view. Then I select the pencil tool to draw some lines. Then I can use freehand tool to create some curvy shapes. That's done. Then go back to my isometric view and then choose a circle, and let's change its orientation and its axis. Currently its axis is a blue axis. I have to change this to green one. Oops. Go to the origin, change its axis to the green one with arrow key. While pressing the left arrow key, we can change its axis. Okay, I created this one. Uh, then I can choose the orbit tool to see from this side little bit. Okay, for to use a follow me tool, we have to see there should be area. That one, the circle one, is our area, and this one is our path. So I select this area. It's highlighted to blue one, and then I choose a follow me tool and press on this path. Okay, so it's already done, you see. Yeah, so let's create another shape with follow me tool. To just click this one and then change to top view again. Let's take pencil to uh, create a shape. Follow me tool is used to create the complex shapes. Okay, that's done. Then go back to isometric view, then choose um, the rectangle. Yeah, now we choose a rectangle and then change its orientation, its axis to green one. Oops. Yeah, here, and change its axis. Okay, then choose orbital to see from this side, then select the area like this one. Oops. We can select the face as well, then choose this tool, and then you see it creates some complex shape we can create with follow me tool. So in this week I did research on this one and I learned the follow me tool. Hope you like this one.